Good morning, Room 21. We are going to start off with a welcome song, and then I have an activity for us to try and do through the computer. Are you ready? Let's all take a deep breath. We're going to say good morning to our friends. Are you ready? Good morning, Ada. Good morning, Zenat. Good morning, Arsenio. I'm glad you're here today. Good morning, Josias. Good morning, Hasnat. Good morning, Shahir. I'm glad you're here today. Good morning, Isaiah. Good morning, Maharan. Good morning, Abel. I'm glad you're here today. Good morning, Wasim. Good morning, Cobra. Good morning, Muhammad. I'm glad you're here today. Good morning, Arsh. Good morning, Hoda. Good morning, Jasnay. I'm glad you're here today. Good morning, Hanitzi. Good morning, Teacher Amy. I'm glad you're here today. All right, we're going to try something today. Might be a little tricky since I can't be with you guys. But I have some different balls, and we're going to think, will it bounce? So over here is the ball type, and then it's yes or no. So the first ball that we're going to try is a baseball. I want you guys to think if it's going to bounce or not. And by bounce, I mean go up and down a couple times. Everything's going to bounce when it hits the ground. But I want you guys to see if it will bounce up and down on your computer screen. Are you ready? I'm going to turn it down just a little bit so you can see the table. Are you ready? I'm going to start really high so you have to see if you can see it coming down. Ready? Uh-oh. It rolled away from me. But as you can tell, the baseball didn't really bounce. So we're going to check. Here's our baseball. We're going to check no. So the baseball doesn't bounce. All right? Oh, the next one is a football. Do you think the football is going to bounce? Look at the shape. Does that look like a shape that would bounce very well? All right, I'm going to drop this one. Ready? Here it goes. Kind of bounced and stopped. And if you can see, it's stopped on my table right now. So that's another one. So a football does not bounce. So we have 2 in our no column. All right. Not sure if you guys know what this ball is. It's called a ping pong ball. Was the baseball bigger or smaller than the ping pong ball? Bigger, you're right. What do you think? You think this one's going to bounce up and down like boingy, 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 boingy? All right, let's see it. Hopefully you guys will be able to see it when it comes down. Ready? Oh, yeah, look. Is that one bouncing? That one bounces a lot of times. So that will be our first yes. This is ping pong ball, and this is yes. So we're going to check our yes. So right now, do we have more balls that will bounce or not bounce? 1, 2 for not bouncing, and 1 for bouncing. All right, my next one is a wiffle ball. What do you guys think? When I was a little girl, I used to play wiffle ball with my brothers all the time. What do you think? Is it going to bounce up and down a couple times or bounce and stop? Let's see. All right, here we go. Oh, look at that. It had a couple big bounces and some small bounces. Ready? So what would you guys think? Yes or no? Let's put it under yes. I think it had some good bounces. So we're going to check our yes. All right, our last one is, we didn't introduce this kind of ball yet. What kind of ball is this? A tennis ball. You're right. So do you think it's going to bounce a lot of times or bounce and stop like the football? All right, I gave you some time to share with your families. Here we go. Are you ready? Oh, yeah. It's still bouncing. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, off my table. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do you say? Bounce or not bounce? Bounce. All right. So let's put the camera back up a little bit so you can see the thing. So we have 1, 2, 3 for yes. So 3 of our balls bounced. our wiffle ball, our tennis ball, and our ping pong ball. And our football, remember my baseball rolled off of my table so I can't grab it, didn't bounce. So that was 2. Which one was the smaller number? That bounced or didn't bounce? You can share with your families. You're right, that didn't bounce. So that makes the ones that bounced the bigger number. You're right. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you're looking for something to do, you can grab an activity from your choice board. I love you. Bye.